everybody, I am back with a Nadine West unboxing, and I think this will be the last one of the year. We might get one more towards the very end of December, but I don't know. It's an every 4-week thing, so we'll see. But I'm really excited to see what is in here. I want to finish out the year strong, and I feel like we will do that. It is a little on the thinner side, but good things come in small packages. So we're going to see what is in here. And if you don't know what Nadine West is, it's a affordable clothing subscription. I believe they do every 2 weeks, every 4 weeks, or every 8 weeks. I will link all of the information down below, but what I love about it, it is super affordable, and they really listen to your style profile and your reviews, so you really get a very customizable experience once they get to know your style and your vibe. So let's get into this and see what they sent me this time. Alright, and it's easy to open up. Got a little perforated line there. Oh, I hope nothing fell out of here because that was just like sitting right here. So we'll see. Here's the little slip that you will get. It's got your return label on it for any returns. It's got all your instructions right there. And then it's got your list of all your items and their prices. So make sure you hang on to that and don't lose it. If for some reason you do misplace that, just shoot them an email. They have really great customer service. I've always had very, very good experience with their customer service. So, all right, and let's see what we have right here on top. I see a burgundy something. Ooh, it's like a wine color. Oh, that's so pretty. It's a nice wine colored top. And I love how it like has a tie right here. It looks like a 3/4 sleeve. And it's just got this little metal piece and tie at the end of the sleeve. And it looks like a little bit of a scoop neck. And it looks like just a really loose fitting, comfy, casual tee that is in a really excellent holiday color. Look at this shirt I've got on in this one. See, it just screams holidays. So it's off to a really great start. And I see some denim. It's always a great shipment when there's denim involved. And these are Express. If you know, you know. I already love Express jeans. They fit me so good. These look, oh my gosh, look at these. They button on the sides. Look at this. They have like 3 buttons on the side, both sides. That is so unique. I love, okay, I'm obsessed with anything denim, but when it's denim that's really unique, like, that's what I look for, is the really unique denim. Stuff that's different. Something that's going to make people kind of look twice, like, oh, that's cute, but wait, what's going on there? The buttons are on the side. Is that not great? And I love that it's a black denim, and it looks like it is a loose fit. Cannot wait to try these on. These are going to be great. I already know. And then we've got a pink flannel top. Nothing screams cold weather more in the South than flannel. People bust out the flannel, you know it's cold. And it's been like 20 degrees at night here, and our highs have been in like the 50s. That's cold for here, especially for this time of year, because usually we don't see that till like January. So it's time to bust out the flannel, and so they sent me this pink, and it's like I thought it was black at first, but it's like a burgundy. So it's pink and burgundy. Oh, it'll go with that top. Oh, that'll go good together. Okay, and this is by the brand Casual Country Outfitters. Not heard of them, but it is a very excellent quality flannel. Like, it's an actual you know how you see flannels, but it's not actual flannel. It's just more like this material. This is actual flannel. So this is actually going to keep me warm. So excited about that. And then we've got, what is this? I like this pattern here. Is this a dress? Oh, I love this. Look at this. It's like a leopard print, but it's like a messy like leopard print. It's not just your traditional like cheetah or leopard print, but it's got the spots and it's kind of like the whole vibe of that. And I think, yeah, it's a dress, and then it's got a tie that ties around the waist. Oh my gosh, that is going to be so great with some like black pantyhose and some black knee-high boots, or even some brown knee-high boots to bring in the brown and the little spots, and then like a black fur jacket. This is going to be great. Absolutely love that. Oh, and we got cozy socks. I am obsessed with cozy socks. Like, you should see my sock drawer. It's kind of ridiculous. I love socks that are cozy and cute, and these have some linen ones. Oh, and then we got some with, oh my gosh, are these tomatoes or apples? I'm not really sure, but either way, they're cute. And then here is another tomato, apple, cherry, I don't know. It's up to you, but they're really super thick, and they have that like marshmallow squishy material. You know what I'm talking about. They're really cushioned socks. That's how they are. So I'm so excited to have more socks to add to my collection because I'm all about some comfy, cozy socks. And then we've got a jewelry item. I've been really loving their jewelry here lately. Like, in the very beginning, I wasn't crazy about the jewelry that they sent, but I absolutely love the quality here lately and how unique everything is. And the prices stayed the same. So we got better quality, more unique pieces for the same exact prices that they were already charging. So I love that they listened to us on that and gave us better quality stuff and pieces that we will love. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so pretty. It is a silver necklace. Look at it with this top. Like, even with this top, look how great that is. I love this piece. It is so pretty. It's dainty, but it makes such a big statement. I love that. And it's by the brand Eclat. I don't know. I've not heard of it, but it is super adorable and such a great statement piece, but still dainty and feminine. Really pretty. I absolutely love it. So that is our shipment. I absolutely love this. If this is the last shipment of the year, they did great because it screams like cozy, cold vibes. Like, here's your going out outfit. Here's your around the house outfit. You got your comfy socks to sit at home and drink your hot cocoa. Fantastic shipment. I'm so excited to try all this stuff on, so let's get into it. Here is the dress. It is so comfortable. Like, I didn't even expect that out of it, but it's got the oversized sleeves, the pattern. Look how pretty that pattern is. You get what I'm saying? It's like a messy leopard print type pattern. And the tie, I just tied it to the side, but you could very easily tie it in the front if you wanted to, or even in the back. Very pretty. You could do a bow in the back. That would be really cute. So you can kind of just decide what vibe you want to do with that. I like the length on it. It hits right above the kneecap. So this would be really good to wear, you know, if you go to church, you could wear it to church. You could wear it to formal events that aren't necessarily, you know, stuff that needs to be wore up to here. It's still very appropriate and really cute all at the same time. And like I said, this is going to be really easy to style because I've got some black pantyhose, and I don't know, seeing the length now, that I would do knee-high boots. I would probably just do some little booties with it and some little ankle boots and a little black fur coat, or even a brown fur coat to tie in the brown and the leopard print. And this is so cute. This is just so cute, so comfortable. Like, I feel like it's a nightgown. Like, it's just so free and comfortable. And that's what I love about their clothes. Like, a lot of their stuff, you will look like to the nines in. Like, you will look like an absolute 10. She is the best dressed here. And you will feel like you are wearing pajamas. Like, honestly. Like, it is so comfortable and stylish. And, I mean, just look. Look how cute it is. I'm absolutely so excited about this dress. And I used to not be a big dress person, but Nadine West sends such amazing dresses. So I kept like one here and one there, and before I knew it, I have like half my closet full of dresses, and I actually wear them because they're so comfortable. Like, they're way more comfortable than wearing jeans some days. So I feel like it is such a vibe, and I love this necklace. Look at this necklace. It is got the little V right there, and then at the very end it's got this. Got little rhinestones on it. You may not can see the rhinestones, but they both have rhinestones on it. But it is so cute, and it looked excellent, that green top I had on. So I can't wait to wear it with that and anything, like a turtleneck in this. Such a statement. Like I said, they just really amped up the quality of their jewelry. Are you helping me? Are you helping me? So that is this outfit. So let's try on the other outfit now. Okay, here is the other stuff. And these denim pants are absolutely the best. See? They have 3 buttons here on the side, so you just pull them on and then button on the sides. Like, most of the time when you see that kind of stuff, like, it's like faux buttons. These are real functioning buttons. This is how you put it on. Like, is that not the absolute cutest pair of denim pants ever? And I love the perfect length. Most of my denim I have to cut off. These are the absolute perfect length. I love that they're dark denim for winter, because a lot of the denim I have is light or medium wash, and I've been wanting some darker denim. So I love that I have these to add to my closet. And this wine color top, I love it. I absolutely love it. And I think it looks really good with my skin tone. And I really like the way it kind of offsets this necklace. It looks really cute. And this flannel goes phenomenal with this. Like, this is a whole perfect outfit. And that's what I like also about their shipments. They put stuff in there that you can pair together, and you can make a bunch of different outfits with it. So I love that this goes together, but I could actually separate these pieces and make whole other outfits as well. So very cute, very comfortable. Like I said, this is a real flannel, so it's gonna keep me warm. I can throw like if I want to layer a little bit more, if it's a little colder outside, I can put like a denim jacket over top this. I can button this up and do like a leather jacket, just whatever the vibe is that day, and have a really cute, warm, cozy look. And I went ahead and popped on some of the socks. I don't know what these are. I don't know if they're apples. I don't know if they're oranges, but they're cute. Whatever they are, they're really cute, and they're really comfortable. So love my cozy socks. Love my cozy flannel. These jeans are phenomenally comfortable. Like, they're actually a little big, but the hips and the butt hold them up, so it's not that bad. It's actually comfortable to have that little bit of extra room in the waist, because when I sit down, it's going to bunch up anyway, so that makes it really, really comfortable. And let me take this flannel off so you can see the sleeves on this cute top. And you see the little bows? Is that not so cute? It's got this little metal piece and it's just tied in there. See how cute this top is? That's what I mean. You can put the flannel on over it, but then you take the flannel off and it's like a whole nother look. It's just so adorable. I love this. And I love that how you can just switch out all the different pieces and make different looks. So comfortable, so great. That is everything. Let's talk about the prices. Okay, so let's look at this price list. For the flannel top, it's $29.99. For the burgundy wine colored top, it's $29.99. For the denim jeans, it is $45.99. For the dress, it's $39.99. For the necklace, it's only $15. See how cute it is? I even kept it on. And the socks are $9.99. So really affordable prices. Our best value is the necklace and the socks, of course. Like, these are super, like, marshmallow. These are super marshmallow soft. And I love the statement of this. But I think my absolute favorite thing in the whole shipment are the denim jeans. I love unique denim. Like, stuff that buttons in a different way or has different types of buttons, or buttons that stand out, or like a different colored denim or a different fabric in with it. Like, any kind of unique denim that stands out. That's like, oh my gosh, that is my absolute favorite thing. So, love the denim pants. Those are my favorite out of the whole shipment. I cannot wait to wear this flannel though. And that wine top is such a perfect holiday color. So I know I'll be wearing that to some holiday family event probably, because it's so comfortable and cute. So I know that I'm going to get compliments on it already just because it stands out. But it's still simple and comfortable, and I absolutely love that. So that is it today for our Nadine West unboxing. I'll put all the information down below if you want to sign up for your own Nadine West. And if you already get Nadine West subscriptions but you want a little something extra or a little something more, they offer a 7 items for $99, and that is a phenomenal value. So you can't beat that value, and I will put that information down below as well. So that is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for trying these clothes on with me and unbagging all of our Nadine West goodies for this month, and I'll see you in the next one.